Dear friends, today we are coming across this person who made piracy of this cinema films or pictures, whatever may be, to a huge extent, and that person was caught, was from return from France to India, and some people in the social media try to criticize such an illegal act, and some people who supported him to be the savior of the middle class people for viewing these pictures outright without cost through these domains he published. All these things are silly things and nothing but the time pass. And some further people who criticizes the action of the police, and also not only criticizing these police officers who caught him, but also are blackmailing such police officers that they say they got such data of the police officers committing some mischiefs or something which is illegal. See, blackmailing is not correct. If you have something data with you which the police officers have committed some mistake, try to make a complaint. That is a correct way. Instead of complaining the same and keeping it in dark and criticizing and again blackmailing the said officer is not correct. How can it be? This should not be our practice. We are human beings living in a society. So harmonious living, peaceful living is always good for the good welfare of the society. In such a way, law condemns piracy. Piracy cannot be appreciated. Piracy is nothing but theft of the data or information stored somewhere in the domains or data centers. That data stored is very costly data, and through piracy there is a theft of such data, and again it is being reaching the people in an illegal way. That is piracy. That is, we are seeing the stolen data. Stolen data is also illegal. How can we encourage this practice? So this is not a good way. We have to give a message to society to practice legality, go in a legal way, protect the society, encourage the lawful. Lawful gains should be the motto, and it is not that some middle class people are unable to view the pictures. The pictures have become costly. It is optional. It is an entertainment thing. It is not the daily bread and butter of the human beings. It is just an entertainment. If we wish to see a picture, we see. Otherwise, we wink it. It is our option. It is our option to pay heavy amounts or not. We need not blame the police officers and other cinema producers, all those things for this thing. And a piracy, this piracy group cannot become the hero of the society in terms of the middle class people. That's, however, it cannot be the thing. The practice of criticism, blackmailing, and encouraging such an piracy and its forms cannot be supported or appreciated by the law, and this practice cannot be upheld through the social media or encourage social media. And this is how some misuse of our speech is going. You have the right to criticize, but criticism should be encourage you. Criticisms should be on technical things. Criticism should not support the illegality. However, criticism should not be supported by blackmailing. This should be the thought of the persons who wish to live happily in the society.